At Wallace Community College, education becomes opportunity where students gain skills that lead directly to a career and communities benefit from a stronger workforce. Career technical programs open doors to industries across the Wiregrass through 2-year degrees or short-term certificates that build skills step by step. Training is hands-on, practical, and connected to real careers, so classroom learning becomes workplace success. Alongside degree programs, focused workforce training creates fast paths to employment or advancement in their current careers. Every option shares one goal: preparing students to succeed in work that matters.
So as a tech scholar, it means I work part-time. So I'm here a couple days a week and there at work a couple days a week. So with my experience being already working, we talk about a lot of stuff here in class, and then we also have a lot of lab trainers. Pneumatic trainers, hydraulic trainers, you've got electrical systems you can work on. Everything you need will be discussed in class, and then you'll have an opportunity to get your hands on it. And once you figure out how to wire something up or work with pneumatics, you know what to look for when something's not working.
At Tyson, we see firsthand how Wallace students are ready to contribute from day one. Their preparation in programs like industrial systems not only teach them the technology needed, but also the responsibility that we need to help keep our operations running. The investment that Wallace makes in these students is an investment in the growth and future of our community.
The programs that Wallace Community College offers our area allows us to recruit new industry to create new opportunities for our citizens. Wallace Community College always continues to invest in state-of-the-art technology and facilities to make sure not only the students have the best, but our existing industry and business have the programs they need to continue to keep pace in a global economy.
Students gain skills, employers gain talent, communities gain strength. Wallace is where all three connect. Wallace Community College, preparing students and powering the workforce of tomorrow.